Do you think that Chinese can go to this boy's backyard and go and do galamsey? This boy came to Ghana and shook your president with a pistol. It's a statement. Nobody fools around. You fool around, we blow your head apart. We don't care about law. We are here to develop our nation, to help people. This guy here walked to your president with a gun on his side. It's a statement. You people bring Chinese from places. Go to Takwa, Bogoso, Prisia, Chebi, and look, go and go and see the madness of your Christianity. Some boys in Naibiko Presby, Alabasta, Pentecost, CAC, ya bottom. And I'm not saying ya bottom keke. I'm saying ya bottom by Jeremiah 51 verse 7. Ya bottom. Like that. Style, and you go begging for money to come and finance your lifestyle. A nation like Ghana, how do you stand before any other nation to beg? Go to Burkina Faso and go and see that military young leader. Put his picture here. I said something to you the last time. I will repeat it. This guy in the military junta, you know, whatever his name is, this guy, give me, I am not a military man. My boy, I will be firing you right now. I am not a military man. This guy is a sensible human being. If this is the benefits of coup d'etat, then I love coup d'etat. Then, if this is the benefit of coup d'etat, then Burkina is blessed with a coup d'etat. Momo Tehana, you know, MPP, NDC talking nonsense for 32 years. 32 years. You can't build any proper thing. This young boy, within just 6 months, has commissioned 18 factories. 18. They build cars in Burkina. They are building their own tomato. They don't import anything. First thing he did, he closed the borders. Nobody should come here. Nobody should come here. Do you think that Chinese can go to this boy's, you know, MPP, NDC talking nonsense for 32 years? Asia Dinkwa. 32 years. You can't build any proper thing. This young boy, within just 6 months, has commissioned 18 factories. 18. They build cars in Burkina. They are building their own tomato. They don't import anything. First thing he did, he closed the borders. Nobody should come here. Nobody should come here. Do you think that Chinese can go to this boy's backyard and go and do galamsey? This boy came to Ghana and shook your president with a pistol. It's a statement. Nobody fools around. You fool around, we blow your head apart. We don't care about law. We are here to develop our nation, to help people. This guy here walked to your president with a gun on his side. It's a statement. You people bring Chinese from places. Go to Takwa, Bogoso, Prisia, Chebi, and look, go and see the madness of your Christianity. Some boys in Naibiko Presby, Alabasta, Pentecost, CAC, ya bottom. And I'm not saying your bottom keke. I'm saying your bottom by Jeremiah 51 verse 7. Your bottom. Munya papa. Munya papa. Munya papa mkenyeni. This boy know how he can boldly tell Burkina Faso, there is no need to travel to America. We are creating America here. Every young man, this boy, regional minister, regional minister, idea we are you know, idea 8 years ago. Are you people okay? And this boy, for your information, is a Muslim. Only communion da. Mass on Kobe da. I want to hear. Tell me the meaning of your noise. What the answer question about? Sorry, that is Christianity. I am a Christian time, Papa. I'm telling you, time, Papa. Sorry, but now you can never to so. The Christian time, Papa. Jesus said, "You are the salt of the earth." Do you know what that means? You are the change factor. Anywhere you go and there is no change, Odana wan soria udruha ubehu se wenya evidence. Container timiba Ghana hani atwea fam na de atwea fam na de owagie na omati ono mani age bisu obia wo galam say God will kill you. I told you that. I'm repeating it. Onyame bekum, you will die in your sleep. Asiafo amonwene ready am I on man. You have resources, you don't even know how to handle it. Muhammad to pump action, my boys in me say, ubenya massive heart attack. You will not wake up. I have for you. Ade mukuru me agalam say. Mama Pong got to America, so the lifting is coming. You are going to America. You are going to Germany. You are going to Italy. Where you preaching? I see a kita preaching. It is Angrasi Akika we are na yemudu do na ye nije ho. Nti yenya yeso aso for Ghana. Asi Akika the Lord what wouldn't him say subanya wo mu God can do nothing for you. Unim. Stand to your feet, let's close. It has someone about woman. I stand here and I will want to ask for people divorcing. It's going to be very common. Divorce. Let's catch it out. Who will cross on you? Who be the water or a jar dada or no one met there, but not coming here with jar. It's a noise. So people are going to bring a noise pressure. This is why we see the young woman is married. They are trusting God for babies. Extended family are talking nonsense. It's a noise. Talking nonsense all over the place. A person brings a car, Sonata, Hyundai Sonata, and the dude of the Sonata is 30, almost 140,000 Ghana cedis. Sonata, a car, 140,000 Ghana cedis. Momo aha, and you are imposing useless taxes on a crippled economy and people. It's a noise. Therefore, and some nipa mbe so dey free the fear about betena so dey dem no na pressure e di na chi free baby o free ba no enye common. Sister who end time who our supreme hand dey dey make it. It's a noise. Number 2, the scripture, Ezekiel 37 and verse number 7. The Bible said, and behold, there was a shaking. As for the shaking, it will begin from the monasteries. Nations who had monarchs, all of them will fall. All of them. First time we had Swaziland is a nation who loves their king. You dare speak against the king of Swaziland, you are a dead man. First time 4 years ago, the nation rules against their king. Burn the airport at Masapa. And as I'm speaking to you, opposition is mounting up on Maswati III, the king. His Majesty is under pressure. The people are saying that you spend too much. We spend too much on